All right, everyone, here we go. DTC Solutions Off-Highway Edition version 1.5. If you are not familiar with DTC Solutions, this is the only repair information software that I know of that exists on the planet for off-highway commercial engines, both agricultural and construction. So for example, some new things that we have in this update is we have a news tab that we added now. We have updates that we do pretty much on a monthly basis. People had no idea what we were including with the updates, so now they do. And we also have a little spot down here talking about new things going on at Diesel Laptops, such as our hands-on after-treatment training classes that we now offer. And at any rate, the new update has almost 100 new modules. So this month's update pack is quite large, from Case to Cummins to FPT, Hitachi, Isuzu, Kubota, LS M-Tron, Mitsubishi, New Holland. I'm not even going to try to pronounce this one properly. Shibuya, maybe? And Yanmar engines, along with some ZF. And of course, we also have added wiring diagrams. So we have an entire division of our company that is focused on creating wiring diagrams and component locators. We are now starting to add those to our system as well. So let's just show you this a little bit. So let's go check out this Isuzu 4JJ Tier 1. I'm sorry, Tier 4. So again, here's kind of the list of everything that's covered in the system currently. And we'll do Isuzu. We will do either one of these, the 4JJ Tier 4 2012. And as you can see, I have all the fault codes listed for this engine that are in here. We'll just click one at random so you can see what information it is. And you can see we go through here and we tell you all about the code and what to do in order to fix that code. And if you go over here on the left and you click wiring diagrams, what that will do is that will pull a PDF up. And it pulled up on my other screen here, so I'll just kind of move this on over so you can see it. And you can see here at Diesel Laptops, we're hard at work making easy to read, consistent looking wiring diagrams no matter what you're looking on. And of course, they can be zoomed in and all those fancy things. So I think you'll see in the future from us taking this to a whole new level with wiring diagrams and doing a lot more stuff. But for now, they're nice, they're easy to read. You can definitely get to where you're trying to get to in order to properly troubleshoot and repair your vehicle. All right. So with that said, that is pretty much it. Just a lot of great updates. We continue to invest a lot of time and a lot of money to put all this together. And it's just really nice to have one application that can really put all of this stuff in front of you that's easy to use and easy to see. So thank you for your time. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions at all, obviously we're here to answer them. Just visit diesellaptops.com to learn more. Thank you for your time.